Hello guys, welcome back to Subbu Tech. In this video, we will discuss about training syllabus of the Spring framework, guys. Okay, if anyone wants to learn the Spring means, so within the Spring framework, what are the concepts available? So what are the concepts we have to learn? So what is the training syllabus of the Spring framework? So as part of our training, what we will cover, all these things we will discuss, guys. So let's open the Spring framework syllabus. If you observe here, if anyone wants to learn the Spring framework means, so this is the order we have to learn, guys. It is very important in the real-time project. So if someone wants to become a Java developer means, definitely you should have a knowledge on the Spring framework, guys. Without Spring, no one can able to develop the applications in the real-time project, guys. So only core Java, advanced Java is not enough in the real-time projects. Real-time project someone wants to develop by using Java means, definitely they should have a knowledge on Spring framework, guys. So that's why we are providing training on the Spring. If anyone wants the trainings means, you can enroll form already there in our bio, guys. Let's jump into what are the concepts we will cover as part of the Spring framework means. First, let's go for introduction. So introduction, different versions, modules overview, guys. After that, MVC architecture, dependency injection, and Pojo interface, guys. So after that, now we will enter into Spring have different modules here. First we will cover core modules, guys. So within the core module, what are the concepts we will cover means, dependency injection, so application to DI, strategy, design pattern, and resolving and identifying params in the constructor injection. So difference between setter injection and constructor injection. So inner bean inheritance, so collection merging and bean aliasing, factory method and singleton Java class and bean scopes, dependency check, so nested bean factory and P namespace and C namespace, application context container, IOC container, guys. Working with properties file, internationalization, so event handling, bean life cycle, XXX aware interface, so factory bean, method replacement, lookup method injection, bean life cycle, bean factory post processor, Spring core module with annotations, so Java configuration, properties file with annotations, 100% Java code based applications, guys. So these are the concepts we will cover as part of the core module, guys. So when it comes to this next JDBC module, so first go to introduction, JDBC template, J&E registry, callback interface, batch processing and updation, named parameter, simple JDBC insert with 100% code, JDBC call, SQL operation mapping, guys. All these topics we will cover as part of the Spring DAO module, guys. After that, we will cover Spring Boot. So very important in the real-time project in order to develop the Spring Boot application. So introduction, Spring Boot core application, Spring Boot JDBC template, Spring Boot, so just simple JDBC insert, guys. So this we will cover as part of the Spring Boot. After that, AOP module, guys. Okay, so introduction, AOP principles, so declarative approach, guys. So these are the 4 advice available. Okay, so after that, programmatic Spring AOP, point cut aspect JOP. So like this we will cover as part of this AOP module, guys. This is not that much of important here. So when it comes to this MVC module, so it is very important. So MVC flow is very important in the real-time project. So when it comes to this Spring MVC, introduction, controller classes, view resolver, controller, parameterizable and URL file name and abstract, command line, command class, so internal flow and simple form controller, form validations, internal flow of the form validations, so reference data, multi-action controller, abstract wizard, handler mapping, handler interceptor, view resolver, so internationalization, annotation driven MVC, annotation based abstract command controller and annotation based simple form controller, file uploading and downloading, so MVC with tiles, exception handling, 100% Java based Spring MVC applications, dynamic registration of servlet, so Spring Boot MVC. So all these concepts we will cover as part of this MVC module, guys. So when it comes to the security module, 100% code Spring security, LDAP configurations, Spring Security Board, guys. Okay. So Spring Social. So it is just a social media, right? Okay. So Facebook, Twitter, how we need to communicate with social media with Spring Boot up, Spring with the Spring framework, guys. Okay. So the Spring ORM and Spring Batch, that is optional, guys. So these are the Spring modules we will cover as part of the Spring framework, guys. If anyone wants to learn the Spring framework means, so the enroll form already there in our bio. Please enroll, guys. So if anyone wants to materials means, please contact us. You can also fill the form and submit for this materials, guys. You can fill the enroll form in order to get the materials, guys. So this is the syllabus we will cover as part of the Spring framework, guys. Thank you.